Is your coarse curly beard turning into a frizzy tangle mess this winter? I get it. It's frustrating, especially when your beard feels like a big part of your style and identity. But with just a few expert techniques, you can make it softer, fuller, and ready to handle winter like a pro. I'm a certified trichologist, and for nearly a decade, I've helped men like you master their beards even through tough winters. There's one surprising thing you're doing every day that's making it worse, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it fast before winter damage becomes permanent damage. So how do I know this problem all too well? I experienced this firsthand when I moved from the mild, dry climate of LA to the colder winters of Atlanta. Overnight, my beard transformed from smooth to manageable to a frizzy, brittle mess. It felt like wearing a scratchy sweater on my face, uncomfortable and irritating. I realized something was seriously wrong, but I couldn't figure out what. What was causing this sudden change? It turned out the combination of cold outdoor air and dry indoor heating was wreaking havoc on my beard. I had to revamp my entire routine to bring it back to life. And I'm here to help you avoid those same frustrations. Understanding my own beard's reaction to winter was the first step. Let's explore why your beard becomes so dry when the temperature drops. Did you know your beard can actually shrink up to 3% just because of the dry air around it? That's surprising, right? But why does this happen? The winter air acts like a moisture thief, pulling hydration from every strand. Imagine your beard like a lush plant that suddenly dries out and wilts. That's what winter does to it. But what's really causing these issues? To effectively address them, we need to understand the science behind beard dryness. In humid conditions, your beard absorbs moisture from the environment, keeping it full and soft. But when winter rolls in, something changes dramatically. The air becomes dry. But what does this mean for your beard? It loses moisture, becoming rough and brittle. Think of your beard hairs like tiny shingles on a roof. These cuticles usually lie flat, sealing in the moisture. But in dry winter air, something unexpected happens. They start to lift, leaving your beard exposed to the elements. That's when it becomes brittle, snags easily, and feels rough to touch. Have you ever noticed your beard suddenly sticking out like it has a mind of its own? What's causing that? That's static electricity building up. Without adequate moisture, your beard gets wild and hard to control, making it feel unmanageable. So how do you know if your beard is crying out for moisture? You might be experiencing some signs without even realizing it. First, rub your fingers through your beard. Does it feel different lately? Maybe it's rough, almost like straw. A brittle beard isn't just uncomfortable. It's more likely to snap or break, especially at the ends. Recognizing this early can make all the difference in keeping your beard strong and healthy. Another sign your beard might be sending is a change in appearance. Look in the mirror. Does your beard lack its usual shine? Does it look lifeless? That's a clear sign that it's thirsty for moisture. You might even notice it's looking a bit dusty or feeling crunchy with split ends forming. Here's another one. Do you ever find yourself scratching more than usual? That itch isn't just annoying. What could it mean? It's your beard's way for signaling for help. When it pulls moisture away from your skin, both become dry and uncomfortable, leading to that constant itch. And finally, there's the most unmistakable sign, the one we all hope to avoid. Have you noticed any tiny flakes appearing on your shirt? What could be causing that? Those little flakes, beard drift, are your beard's way of saying, hydrate me. When your beard gets this dry, your skin starts to flake, and those unwelcome flecks start showing up. But don't worry, keeping your beard hydrated can make those flakes a thing of the past. Noticed any of these signs? With the right care, you can restore moisture and softness, bringing your beard back to looking and feeling its best. But that's not just the weather that's at fault, because your daily habits be making these things worse without you even realizing it. Let's dive into some common mistakes that sabotage your beard's health, and more importantly, how to fix them quickly. Could you be missing a crucial step in your beard care routine? It's something many overlook. Skipping deep conditioning is a common mistake. Think of it like neglecting to water a plant. It dries up and loses its vitality. To fix this, incorporate deep conditioning in your routine. It's the essential drink your beard needs to stay soft and resilient. Here's another pitfall that might surprise you. Are you using your beard products the same way in winter as you do in summer? That's like wearing the same outfit all year round. It might be fine in the summer heat, but it leaves you exposed when the temperature drops. Adjust how you use and layer your products to lock in moisture and add that layer of protection during the colder months. Finally, there's an overlooked part of beard care that's letting all your hard work go to waste. Think about what happens to your beard while you sleep. Skipping night beard care, it's like leaving a loaf of beard out on the counter. It'll go stale, dry out, and lose the freshness overnight. To keep your beard fresh and soft, apply a leave-in beard conditioner or beard oil before bed, and swap your pillowcase for silk or satin to keep moisture locked in while you sleep. Addressing these common mistakes is a great start, but what if you can take your beard care to the next level? Imagine a beard that's softer, healthier, and completely resistant to winter's harshness. Let's get into the top strategies that will transform your beard health and elevate your routine. There's a simple adjustment that can revolutionize your beard care. It's something mainly overlooked, yet incredibly effective. The key is proper layering your products. Think of it like dressing for the cold. You start with a base layer to retain heat and add layers for protection. Start with a hydrating leave-in beard conditioner to infuse moisture, then apply oil or balm to seal it in. This two-step approach ensures your beard stays soft and healthy all day. This is why my hydration leave-in beard conditioner is a game changer. It's packed with hydrated ingredients and sealants to keep your beard soft and moisturized all day. Over 10,000 bearded men have already made the switch and seen lasting results. Check the link below to see why it's different. And stick around as I show you exactly how to add it to your winter beard routine. Even with the best products, is there an environmental factor that could be undermining your efforts? Think about the air in your home or workspace. Could it be affecting your beard more than you realize? Dry air constantly pulls moisture out of your beard, leaving it vulnerable. But here's a simple fix: a humidifier. Set it to 40 to 60% humidity, and it's like adding a moisture shield. This one tweak keeps your beard softer, more manageable, and winter ready. And if you're looking for a way to deeply hydrate your beard beyond daily care, what if you can give your beard a spa treatment right at home? Beard steaming opens up each hair strand, allowing conditioners and oils to penetrate deeply, especially in winter. This extra hydration can make a real difference in how your beard looks and feels. Here's a quick method. Apply a deep conditioner while in the hot shower. Let the steam work its magic for about 10 minutes. It will leave your beard softer and easier to manage, all in one step. There's a hidden barrier that might be stopping your beard from soaking up all that good stuff. What could it be? Think of it like trying to water a garden, but there's a layer of dry leaves blocking the soil. Similarly, buildup on your skin prevents moisture from getting in. A weekly exfoliation clears away dead skin and buildup, creating a clear path for moisture to sink in deeply. This leaves your beard softer, healthier, and ready to fully absorb oils and moisturizers. Knowing these strategies is empowering, but how do you make them a natural part of your day? Which daily and weekly routines will have the most impact? Let's craft a simple regimen tailored to your life that transforms beard care into second nature. Imagine starting your day with a beard that's truly primed for success. What's the ideal morning routine to make this happen? Start by rinsing your beard with lukewarm water, then apply a rinse out conditioner. Once you towel dry until it's slightly damp, apply a leave-in conditioner to deeply infuse moisture. Finally, seal it all in with beard oil or balm. It's like giving your beard a hearty breakfast to set it up for the day ahead. But what if your beard needs a boost during the day? Is there a quick fix to keep it protected and hydrated on the go? When you're out in the cold, apply a small amount of beard balm for that extra layer of protection. For quick touch-ups, keep a travel-sized leave-in conditioner handy to refresh your beard anytime it needs a lift. It's like giving your beard a midday recharge. As the day winds down, there's one more chance to nurture your beard. What's the best way to prepare it for an overnight recovery? For bed, apply leave-in conditioner and beard oil to deeply nourish your beard through the night. And here's a pro tip: set up a humidifier in your bedroom. This will help prevent moisture loss while you sleep, so you wake up with a beard that feels hydrated and ready for the day. All these steps might seem like a lot, but they'll soon become second nature, and your beard will be soft, manageable, and ready to take on the winter. Trust me, your future self will thank you. We've tackled dryness winter throws at your beard, but there's still one major issue: beard rough and that constant itch. You know, the flakes that just won't go away, and that itch that keeps you scratching. If you don't handle these, they can mess with all the progress you made. In my next video, I'll reveal the key ingredient your beard oil needs to stop beard rough and itch for good. No gimmicks, just real relief. Click this next video to keep your beard healthy, flake-free, and comfortable all season long.